Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 46 Swalecliffe Road. Now, this property is absolutely fantastic. It's a detached 3 to 4 bedroom property with a downstairs option for a bedroom. It's an absolutely fantastic opportunity here, so with no further doubt, we'll get through and take a quick look at the property. So of course, we come into the front room here and you can see that you've got this wonderful sized room with that lovely big window there at the front, just offering you plenty of space. And you can see the decorative finish here is absolutely wonderful. So like I said, you've got 3 reception spaces with this property, and one is presented as a snug or perhaps as the 4th bedroom. So coming into this wonderful L-shaped lounge and dining space, this lovely big reception area here, you can again see that lovely big feature window there at the front, just letting all of that light come through. And again, we've got another window at the back here. There we are, just overlooking the rear garden. It's just a wonderful space. That's a real feature window. So of course you've got nice clear definition between sort of a dining area and a living space with this room here. We'll go through and take a look at the kitchen. So here we are at the back of the property, and you can see just overlooking the rear garden here, we have this really wonderfully utilised space. You've got the gorgeous kitchen there, that really nice mix between a contemporary and a country style shaker kitchen there, and you've got it with an integrated sort of dining area space just off of it. So it's a really practical area that you're going to be able to enjoy all year round with friends and family. But you can see a wealth of fitted appliances here. It's just absolutely wonderful, and that decorative finish is just carried on throughout. So we'll come back through the main entrance hall here, and we'll see that we do have the downstairs shower room space here as well, again finished to that nice modern and contemporary standard. So we'll go upstairs now and take a look at the 3 bedrooms that we've got up here. So we start upstairs by taking a look in the family bathroom, and again you can see it's a really good sized room. You've got the shower unit there with the bath, that lovely Velux window. And coming through to the first of the 3 bedrooms, you can see here it's a whacking great size of a room. This room has actually got a king size bed in it, so a whacking great space in there. And we'll go through and take a look at the other bedroom, and you can see again another really good sized room with that wonderful big window at the back there with some lovely views, and again another king size bed. So you're not going to be lacking any space with these bedrooms here at all. You've got the 2 king size bedrooms, and of course we'll go through and take a look at the master suite now. So here we are in the master suite, and this just gives that real sense of an executive feel. It just oozes quality, and it is just a wonderful space. It's a very large area as well. This is a super king size bed in this bedroom, so plenty of space, and you've got of course the space there for the wardrobes. And as we come through to the back here, you'll see the integrated ensuite area as well, which is just wonderful. It's finished to such a high standard, so I would definitely ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies. It's a bit of a one-off, this property. There's so much work, care and attention that's gone into it. Please do give us a call so that you can find out a little bit more about this property.